Are you confident with vectors questions? So here I haven't drawn anything, but just for a really basic example, we've got A, B and C are 3 points such that the vector AB is 4A minus B and the vector BC is 12A minus 3B. First of all, prove that AB and BC are parallel. So the information we need to know about parallel vectors is that obviously they might not be the same size, but that they are going literally in the same direction. If you think about it like an angle, if you think about parallel lines, they're going at the same angle, aren't they? So in terms of vectors, I just want to prove that one of them is literally a bigger version than the other, or in other words, a multiple of the other. So we're going to compare the scale between the A coefficients, the coefficient is the number in front, and the B coefficients, and it should be the same scale. What I mean by that is that we've multiplied the A by the same value and also the B by the same value. So I normally do it by taking the bigger one dividing by the smaller one. So for example, the scale factor for A is 12 divided by 4, which is 3. We're saying that the A here is 3 times as big, isn't it? So we've multiplied the A's by 3. Have we done the same to the B's? Also take into consideration the positive and negatives, they should be the same. So I've got minus 3 here for BC, and minus 1, that's technically a minus 1B, isn't it, for AB. If I were to divide that, I also get 3, positive 3. So they've both been multiplied by 3. It says prove that they're parallel. Well, they are because they have the same scale. The way that I'm going to kind of write that though is I'm going to write the bigger one, BC, is equal to, and then use your scale factor on the smaller one, 3 times AB. That proves that they're multiples, and then you can just put a little therefore symbol, parallel. Don't have to write a whole sentence. That would be enough. Now, part B, prove that A, B and C lie on a straight line. This is the next level. If you're trying to prove that they lie on a straight line, you have to first prove that they're parallel, as we just did. The second thing is, okay, they are 2 parallel vectors, but how do I prove that they overlap, that they are actually in the same line? Just have a look at the vectors. We've got A, B, B, C. They both have the point B in common. So you can say something along the lines of both share point B in common. So first of all, they're parallel and they share point B in common, therefore straight line. Those are the 2 things you need to memorize. How to prove they're parallel by being multiples, and then that they share a point in common to make it a straight line, that they actually do overlap each other. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.